Engineering Street. What we call? Here's the engineering side. Here's the famous statue.
Andre?
O yan Manoy, sabi mo mga 8 foot, di ba? Sukatin mo nga. Hindi lang 8 foot, ano? Look at Manoy. Naku, maubusan na daw. 5 minutes na lang daw. Hello, we are here at Cheya's bookstore.
I might
Gusto
buy
mo
this
bilhin
one
mo?
because I think I might need it someday. So I'm gonna buy it.
Wow. Look at all these books. All these books. Oh, dyan lang. So, ano. So, may katabi nung isa pang medical dictionary. All these books. Yeah. Look at this. Wow, that's a nice book. Stacked all together.
Spare 20 bucks on like no, I don't have
You guys are not selling anything, don't worry. I'm done. Looking for a part-time job? How about you, sir?
There you go. Telemarketing, man. Oh yeah. Wanna go there first?